Jack Scab. 1, 2, 3. Jack Scab. Okay. Jack Scab. Ja. We did it. Okay. Jack Scab. Jack Scab. 5 minutes of your life that you won't get back. Den 2, 3, løb. Jack Scab. Det er ligesom at se en kat gøre i dig sådan. Kan man se nu? Jack Scab. Oh my god. Hvor kommer jeg, hvis der var sådan Jack Scab. Jack Scab. What minutes of your life that you won't get back. Okay, vi laver den på forskellige måder, vi starter med. Okay. Jack Scab. Jack Scab. 5 minutes of your life that you won't get back. Okay, vi tager de 3 måder, for det kan være en god idé at finde de 3 måder først.
Jack Scab.
Vi har normal og høj og lav, eller hvad?
Ja.
Hvad starter vi med? Høj, lav, normal.
Normal.
Okay. If you...
Don't know.
Jeg skal lige være så det der med.
Okay.
2, 3.
Jack Scab.
Okay. Og så længe så... Jack Scab! Jack Scab!
Hallo. Altså. Okay. Jack Scab. Jack Scab. 5 minutes of your life that you won't get back. No.
If you wanna waste your time, what's a little bit in your mind? Jack Scab! Jack Scab! 5 minutes of your life that you won't get back now. If you wanna waste your time, watch a little video of mine. Jack Scab! Jack Scab! 5 minutes of your life that you won't get back.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
And
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
Weird dance.
Dance, you.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. It's awkward.
Oh, my hair. Oh my god. I'll take my cap back.
No. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The dirty pants.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm bored.
Is it now we should say goodbye? Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye! Thanks for watching.
Yeah.